Okay, hey guys, what's up? It's QuarlWithCode, and starting with this video, we're going to be taking a look at getting different user input inside of an Android app. So we'll be taking a look at switches, radio buttons, checkboxes, and inputs such as those. So let's just go on and get started. We can call this tutorial 3. Phone and tablet, API 15, blank activity. And you can title it tutorial 3 if you would like. Okay, I'm going to change my device to Nexus 7. We can get rid of the Hello World text view, and let's start designing our app. So let's start with the relative layout. Let's change the background color to a red. So you want to go to the background property, click the 3 dots you see, and then go to System, and we'll choose Hollow Red Dark. If you want to, you could also go to Color and then choose from the color wheel, or enter a hex code, but the simplest way for now is Hollow Red Dark, since we just want basic red. There we go. And then let's also set the ID, so we'll do R layout. Okay, let's go on and drag a switch. So we have an ID for the switch already set. So let's go and take a look at the text properties. So we can put the text as simply switch. The text color, let's make that white. So again, click 3 dots, go to the System tab, and select white. Alright, and lastly, let's do text size and choose 30 dp. There we go. We're ready to get to the main activity code. So get rid of these 2 methods, and let's start by making member variables. So we have a relative layout, and we have a switch. Okay, so now let's set our variables equal to something. Even for the layouts, you can still use the findViewById method. But again, you still have to make sure that you cast the method to the appropriate object. So we have a relative layout. And then we can reference it with r.id.rLayout. Now we can do mSwitch equals, cast it as a switch, find view by ID, r.id.switch1. So now let's actually start coding what we want the switch to do. We can do mSwitch.set onClickListener, new onClickListener. You'll notice that's just like a regular button, right? The code is practically the same at this point. It's literally the same. We set an onClickListener, we create a new view.onClickListener, and then we're given an onClick method. But here's where we get a little bit different from a button. So let's do if mSwitch.isChecked mRelativeLayout.set background color to color.blue. Else mRelativeLayout.set background color to color.red. Alright, our code looks clean and we have no errors. So I'm going to go on and start Genymotion. Alright, now that Genymotion has started, let's run our app. Go to Genymotion, and if we click our switch, the background turns blue. And if we click it again, the background turns red. Alright, so this was a nice basic example of what a switch could potentially do. If you have any trouble with this, please comment in the comment section, or you can email me at QuarlWithCode@gmail.com. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.